How a single mom earned $3,000 per month from home, no special skills needed. Are you a stay-at-home parent looking for ways to earn extra income without sacrificing time with your family? Passive income streams offer the perfect solution, allowing you to generate money while focusing on what matters most. From affiliate marketing and digital product creation to print-on-demand and blogging, there are countless opportunities to turn your skills and passions into profitable ventures. In this article, I'll explore 15 easy passive income ideas tailored specifically for stay-at-home parents like you. Whether you're a mom seeking the best side hustles or a dad searching for online business ideas, I've got you covered. And experience. Earnings. Your skills to stay competitive in the market. Network with other virtual assistants to learn from their experiences and find new opportunities. Online tutoring or teaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject, such as a foreign language, math, or music, consider offering online tutoring or teaching services. Many platforms, such as VIPKid, OutSchool, or italki, connect tutors with students from around the world. To get started, determine which subject you'd like to teach and research the qualifications required by different platforms. Some may require a bachelor's degree or teaching experience, while others may be more lenient. For example, VIPKid requires a bachelor's degree and a teaching certification, while OutSchool does not require a teaching certification but emphasizes experience and expertise in the subject area. Once you've chosen a platform, create a compelling profile that showcases your skills, experience, and teaching style. When conducting lessons, use video conferencing tools like Zoom or Skype to connect with your students. Prepare engaging lesson plans and materials that cater to your students' needs and learning styles. As you build a positive reputation, you'll be able to attract more students and increase your earnings. Benefits of online tutoring or teaching. Share your knowledge and make a positive impact on students' lives. Enjoy a flexible schedule that allows you to balance work and family responsibilities. Earn a competitive hourly rate, often higher than traditional tutoring jobs. Work from the comfort of your own home, eliminating the need for commuting. Sell handmade or digital products online. If you have a creative side, consider selling handmade or digital products online. Platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and Shopify make it easy to set up an online store and reach a global audience. To get started, decide what type of products you'd like to sell. This could be anything from handmade jewelry, clothing, or home decor to digital products like printables, patterns, or graphics. Research your target market and competitors to ensure there's demand for your products and to help you price them competitively. Next, create a visually appealing online store that showcases your products. Take high-quality photos, write compelling product descriptions, and set up secure payment and shipping options. As you make sales and receive positive reviews, continue to promote your store on social media and other channels to attract new customers. Tips for selling products online. Choose a niche that aligns with your skills and interests. Invest in high-quality materials and packaging to create a professional image. Offer exceptional customer service to build loyalty and encourage repeat purchases. Continuously update your product offerings based on customer feedback and market trends. By exploring these side hustle ideas, stay-at-home moms can find flexible and rewarding ways to earn extra income while still being present for their families. Whether you choose to offer virtual assistant services, teach online, or sell products, the key is to leverage your skills and experience to create a successful business that fits your lifestyle. Online business ideas for stay-at-home dads. Launch a profitable online business while caring for your children. Discover low-cost, flexible options suitable for stay-at-home dads. Learn how to monetize your skills and passions through digital platforms. Blogging. Blogging is a popular online business idea for stay-at-home dads. To succeed, choose a niche you're knowledgeable and passionate about. This could be parenting, personal finance, cooking, or any other topic with a dedicated audience. Create high-quality, SEO-optimized content consistently to attract organic traffic. Research relevant keywords and incorporate them naturally into your posts. Aim for at least 1,000 words per article to provide in-depth value to your readers. Monetize your blog through various methods such as display ads, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or creating digital products like ebooks or courses. As your traffic grows, so will your income potential. Getting started with blogging. Choose a blogging platform, e.g., WordPress, Squarespace. Select a domain name and hosting provider. Design your blog with a user-friendly theme. Create a content calendar and publish regularly. Promote your blog on social media and online communities. Dropshipping. Dropshipping allows you to run an e-commerce store without holding physical inventory. You partner with suppliers who ship products directly to your customers, while you handle the marketing and customer service aspects. To get started, choose a niche and research potential products using tools like Google Trends or AliExpress. Set up your online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, and import product listings from your chosen suppliers. Promote your store through targeted social media ads, influencer marketing, or search engine optimization. As orders come in, your suppliers will handle the fulfillment process, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Dropshipping success tips. Offer exceptional customer service to build brand loyalty. Continuously test and optimize your ad campaigns. Invest in professional product photos and descriptions. Stay up to date with market trends and adapt your product offerings. Freelancing. As a stay-at-home dad, you can leverage your professional skills by offering freelance services online. This could include writing, graphic design, web development, or virtual assistants. Create a portfolio showcasing your best work and set up a profile on freelance platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Reach out to potential clients through cold emailing or networking on LinkedIn. As you build your reputation and client base, you can increase your rates and scale your freelance business. Consider specializing in a specific niche to position yourself as an expert and command higher fees. Tips for freelance success. Communicate clearly and promptly with clients. Deliver high-quality work and meet deadlines consistently. Request testimonials and referrals from satisfied clients. Continuously update your skills and portfolio to stay competitive. By implementing these online business ideas, stay-at-home dads can realistically make $2,000 or more per month. The key is to choose a venture that aligns with your skills and interests and consistently put in the effort to grow your business over time. Success story: stay-at-home dad turned entrepreneur. Joel Young, from pastor to Fiverr success. Background: Joel Young, a stay-at-home dad, began his entrepreneurial journey while managing his responsibilities at home. He started as a pastor and sought ways to earn extra income, which led him to explore online platforms like Fiverr.